Alright, we are fresh off a 20-hour trip to America for Dragweek. The jet lag's hitting him. Alright, we've recovered from jet lag and we're about to go hit the buffet for breakfast and have some fun.
Just spit on it and slam it in.
What do you mean by that?
Nothing at all.
So we found some fellow Dragweekers just out of town in Collinsville, and we're heading out there right now to see if we can make some friends and check out the cars that they've got. Day 3 of our trip to America and officially day 1 of Dragweek. We're gonna head to the strip and see if we can find some cool cars to check out and interview some owners.
Yesterday out at their motel and checked out his car a little bit, so I had a bit more of a look today. Jay, tell us a bit about your car.
Well, this car here is a 1967 Chevy Nova that I won at the Midwest Drags in 2021, which was only a year ago. But it's got a 555 Beck racing engine, Rossler transmission, gear benders, which makes these trips kind of nice because overdrive, obviously. Mosier rear end. The car was built by Hot Rods by Havlik. They did an incredible job on it. As you can see, we've got some pictures from earlier, whatever. Straight as an arrow. It's almost a shame that I own something like this because I won't take care of it.
You gotta wash it.
Yeah, I gotta wash it, take care of it, and but this will be the second event for me with this car. The first Dragweek, and then I did Midwest Drags earlier this year at the end of May, beginning of June. So we're gonna put it through its paces again and see if we can't make the week. Come back and be able to drink some beers every night, you know, that's what we're here for.
So you've done Dragweek many times before?
Yes, this will be my 7th year at Dragweek.
Okay, what did you used to do?
I had a 55 Chevy, which I still own. I wrecked it last year at, what's that, US 131. The last day, last pass, hit the wall pretty fast, throttle stuck, went left, got it shut off before it went left, but grabbed the wall, hit the car pretty good. Would have loved to have it back for this year, but it'll be back for next year.
So you are going to restore
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Hey Jay, you've got a 555 cubic inch big block here, Canadian. What sort of power does it make and how fast do you think you're going to run?
The dyno sheet on the car when I got it said like 740 horsepower. had the car running pretty consistent 10.0s. Back home, good weather with a little bit different tune. It goes high 9s, just breaking that little area right there. I also have nitrous on it, but I'm not running that here. So hopefully we're just going to shoot for the 10.0 in the SME class and just cause some havoc up in those areas.
You're going to be able to be consistent with maybe get machine eliminated?
That'll be the idea. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so we'll you know.
Of course, you've got to make it.
Yeah, you got to make it. So you never really put the buggy before the horse. You got to. So how they say that? Yeah. So we just let's just see how each day plays out and shoot for the best.
Excellent. Well, good luck for the week,
Hey,
mate.
nice meeting you. Thank you. Yeah, anytime.
It's the second day of Dragweek, and the first day we get to see some actual bulls down the strip. As you can see, I'm surrounded by some drag cars, and I'm really excited to see how everyone turns out today.
Or if we necessarily but Matt Tracy's car. TV file running 640. He's running a Street Machine Eliminator. Goes 985 1. Arabia going to go 1028.3 at 128.
After stopping at checkpoint 1, we've headed to the servo to get some glassware, headwear, burgers and gas, and now we're heading to Indy for the night. Dad, should everyone buy merch at www.theskidfactory.com if they love America?
Seems like the right thing to do.
That's what I reckon. Do it. Standing in the impound lot right now. It's basically where all the fastest cars of each class congregate. There's lots of big turbos and big wheels. It's a really cool sight to see. because you're watching all these cars. Running 10-second quarters, and it's just a common thing, but it really is not that easy.
Check out all the Mickey Thompson top. It all started happening for him. Man, unbelievable sixes. The 1973 camera on Ryan Goldstone down in Green Bay. Power 172, the 8 mile and Goldstone 663, blowing the hood off the car. It was a planned 8 mile job. More race winners worldwide rely on Bigelow Clark's really nice, clean winter events. Here at the National.
How was your stay last night?
Once we got the body out of the cupboard, it was alright. Just needed a bit more Clorox to get the smell away.
Yeah, it wasn't the best, was it?
We're taking advantage of checkpoint 1 being the Beef House restaurant and stopped by to get some food because we've been eating burgers and chips all week, and thankfully they had some steaks and salads. America compared to Australia is very different than when you go to restaurants, because we've been living off burgers for the past 4 days, 5 days, indulging in some salads for the first time. It's 1:30 p.m. now, and lots of the Dragweekers have rolled in to the first checkpoint. As you can see, who knows if they'll stop to eat or if they're going to head to the next checkpoint.
Can't do this in Australia.
No,
We don't have auto-filling things.
it's a bit of a luxury. So's the fuel prices, right?
Yep.
That's what we'd like to see. So you might be curious why I'm the one filming and hosting, and I also am editing this whole video. Basically, I'm with Dad in America for work experience with my school, and that's was basically what the whole point of it was for. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.
in by an event called Pump Gas Drags that also happened in Memphis, and that was a hot rod event.
Fuck it.
It was
That's
interesting
live.
because-
It's quite little. Oh my god. It's quite literally raining sideways. Oh my. Couldn't be any worse for the Dragweek cars than an absolute downpour.
Hail.
Oh, it's hailing.
Wow. Oh no, there's a Porsche out there too. There's a Porsche across the road. Oh, that is awful. It's gonna be a fun time for all the cars with open bonnets. Go, Dad, go!
God!
Go!
He's doing it!
Oh